Hey guys, so I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm gonna do a get ready with me, but I'm sitting on my floor, as you can tell. So excuse all the stuff in the background. That's usually where I make my videos, because those lights give off a lot of light, but I decided just to do it right now in the natural lighting because I didn't want to set up everything to make an actual video. So I'm just gonna do a get ready with me sitting on my floor. So yeah, I'm gonna be going to my cousin's surprise party. I don't know if she knows about it, but I'm pretty sure after, I won't put up this video till like another day, so she'll know about it by then. But I'm just gonna start off with this same spray I always go in with. Hattie, my dog's right here. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go in. Oh my god, I thought I brought everything down. Oh, it's right here. Foundation I always go in with, the Wet n Wild one. I wanted to play music, but my mom jacked my iPad and I film off my phone, so it's not possible. How weird this foundation looks. More pink here, but it's okay. And excuse if you hear my mom yelling in the back. She's back. She's gonna come in here, watch. What, mother?
Who are that to grandma?
I think just her. Maybe my grandpa, I don't know. Why?
Well, I don't know where grandpa is, where Junior is.
Oh, Junior went outside. Okay, yeah. Okay, that should be good. I don't know why I did my foundation first. I mean, I guess I always do, but okay, whatever. Taking this brush. I like this brush because it puts on your foundation fast, and I'm really lazy when it comes to doing my makeup sometimes. So, yeah, this brush comes in clutch. I kind of want to create another makeup look with the Kylie, the Royal Peach palette, since I've had it and I only used it once for that video that I made, and I kind of want to use it again. Oh no, I lied. I wore it yesterday. Yesterday, I think. To work. Yeah, to work. I did something with that little purple shadow, but I didn't just use the Kylie palette. I used the Kathleen Lights palette too, so I guess that doesn't really count. So for concealer, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild. Hello. The Wet n Wild one, as always. So they went. Y'all let me know how y'all like this lighting and this little scenery. I'm sure I can like arrange my little backdrop to cover this, and I can probably start filming on the floor if y'all like this lighting, or y'all probably like the other one better. I just was really lazy today and I didn't want to set anything up, because then that means you gotta put everything back. Not today. Okay. I'm going to use this little beauty sponge to blend everything out. I'm obviously gonna set that with my little airspun powder. I want to try other ones. I kind of want to try the Laura Mercier one, but I don't know. Or the RCMA. I might try the RCMA first because that one's kind of like drugstore, so. I'm just gonna set my whole face with this powder. Oh, this powder smells really bad. You like watching me make videos, Addie? Okay, so for brows, I'm gonna do this little Wet n Wild eyebrow duo pencil thing. Same one I always do in Blonde Moments. Oh, my grandma's here. Okay, I'm just gonna go through this part. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna set my whole face with the MAC Studio Fix. Don't mind the dogs. They're annoying and they don't shut up. Annoying. Look at this one. Annoying. This reminds me of my first video where Remy's in that. Oh my god. Okay, so for ours, I'm gonna go into the Royal Peach Ballet. Kylie. And I'm just gonna start messing around because I don't even know what I want to do. Where everybody decides to be the loudest when I'm trying to make a video. But so far all I've done was run this through my crease and darken it a little bit, and then I'm adding this one right now, and I'm probably just gonna add a little bit more, and then I'm going to put this one on top, like right in the center. If y'all want to see a separate tutorial on this look, I will gladly do it for y'all. Just let me know. Don't be afraid to let me know, you guys, because I'll do it. I'm sorry about that noise. My grandpa's doing I don't know what outside. I would hope he was building me a new house. Okay, I'm gonna add some more brown, this sandy, on top of that. Oh my god. I'm so annoyed. So I'm gonna do everything right now, like eyelash, not eyeliner and stuff, but I forgot my eyelashes somewhere and I'm not gonna go buy some more, so I'm just gonna do that later. Dad, your dog! So I'm taking this color right here, I'm putting that on my lid.
What's that?
What?
Tastes like
Your child? Oh, I thought it was like me. Ugh. Ew, what was that? Mama, what was that? I love this look. Okay, let me wipe that off somewhere on my bed sheet. Okay, so I'm just gonna put mascara on and eyeliner, and then I'm gonna put on lashes later because I forgot them. Sorry, y'all are gonna see the lashes. It's okay. I'll insert a photo like right here. And I hope I don't forget, because then I'm gonna look like a loser like this. Give me some cash out, baby. Rock. Excuse my grandfather in the back. Cool. Everybody just ruining my video today. Let me wipe this off before I get burnt. I'm gonna put force into it, guys. I like how curly my hair is, guys. I'm just gonna leave it like this because I don't want to mess with it. It's so curly. My poor hair has been hiding under all my dead hair for a long time. Look at this freaking big old mountain. Oh, I can't see it. I'm gonna spray what's left of this bottle on my face so I don't look like a dusty hoe. Okay, cool. I thought there was like none left, but there was, so that's all that matters. For lips, I'm gonna play it safe and go in with my fave Kylie Cosmetics liquid lip in Angel. I love this. Precious Petals. Shut up, Grandma. What?
When you got a time, you find a number.
How about you catch me outside? How about that?
Fix the dirty salad. Man.
I'm just kidding. I love you. Catch me outside. How about that?
Stay in there.
Same mega liner as always. I need a new one, by the way. It's getting dry. Addie! Stop!
What are you doing?
I was making a video, but Addie just messed up my whole eyeliner. Oh my god.
Can you put this in your video?
Yeah, sure. Addie, how about you catch me outside? How about that?
What the heck is this? Why'd you let her eat an apple?
That was Remy's.
Oh, sorry, Eddie. I didn't mean to throw it at you then.
Addie don't like healthy stuff.
Kappa achado wadi wadi. Kappa achado wadi wadi. Shut up before I hit you.
Alright, cool. Addie! I'm getting real tired of you! Okay, don't mind my hoe sister in the background. Or my big ol' hand across the camera. But this is the final look. And I don't have eyelashes, so I'm gonna go steal some from Cal's house because I think that's where I left my other ones. But yeah, kind of simple because Bobby told me that no one's getting dressed, so I'm gonna stop right here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.